Hey y'all, check this out. I've been noticing I think these are hawks. Yeah, these are hawks. I'm gonna try to catch them on film. Okay, but these are hawks and they be circling in the sky. I've been noticing that because when I was near the Bronx Zoo area before I moved down here, I would see hawks. Okay, the ones that are circling, those are hawks. Like you see them up there? You see those birds there? I think those are hawks. Not the ones that's flying by them, but the ones that are circling. Yeah, those are hawks. And look how beautiful they are. Yeah. And if I'm correct, I think they're hawks or falcons. And they breed as far as like I think I'm not sure. But I have a book on birds. But if I'm correct, they stay together as far as husband and wife. I'm not sure, but I think they do. But look at them; they even closer now. I see some other birds too flying. Or is that a family, yo? They just came out of nowhere. Look at this here, MashaAllah, praise be to the Creator. Look at this here. Y'all see this? It's like once I started filming them, they started coming out. Look at them. Whoa, this is awesome. And look, there's more birds coming from over this way too. I just noticed that. And I'm gonna tell you something. Look. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all see this? I don't know if these are hawks, but if you look at how they're circling, this is phenomenal. Look at how they're circling, people. So, the Quran says that everything worships God and that we don't know their mode of worship, but they worship. So, I'm catching on film birds, hawks, falcons, praising the Creator. Everything in nature. Look at this here. Do y'all see this? I've never seen this before in my life. But look at this here. And now they're all going further away. But getting back to the subject at hand, the Quran says that everything in creation worships the Creator. Everything. Now those birds are going that way. So that must have been like a flock of maybe a different kind of bird, but you notice how they were flying up with those other birds as if they was doing a dance, like unison. Let me see if I can. Yeah, here it is, right here. Beautiful, man. Very beautiful. I strongly believe that we were not just created just to be created. No, there is something. We don't know. We call it God or whatever, Allah, Jehovah, Jah. But there is a creator. There has to be. There has to be. Look at this here. Look at this. See this? It looks like some kind of dance that they're doing. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. Look at this, y'all. See this? And then there's others over here. They're all doing the dance. So, this is a beautiful thing. Okay, now I got it. Before this. So there you go. So everything in creation worships the Creator. I read that in the Quran, man, and I believe it. Definitely believe it. So cosmic.